It may be 90 degrees out, but we got Christmas on our mind. Here are 3 easy Christmas crafts you can make using your Ikonart custom stencil kit. Okay, so the first project we're going to make is this stenciled banner. And of course, we're going to make the stencil first for this banner. Because it's on fabric, we're going to use our purple stencil film and it's printed our design. Always make sure to use that cover sheet so you get a good seal between your stencil and your artwork. And then we just wash it out, of course. And after it dries completely, we are ready to use it for the banner. So just peel it off of the backer. And we are going to be using Speedball fabric ink today in order to add this design. And we just put a little bit on, dab it in a few spots, and then use your squeegee to pull the design or pull the ink across the design. And just kind of like pull it as if you're almost like buttering bread, I would say. And this looks great. So once you take off the stencil and let that dry, we're just going to add a little bit of fun ribbon to the banner. This just adds a nice little Christmas touch. And there you go. Super easy, super cute. Okay, the next project are these gift tags, super easy. Again, you just make your stencil, same as before. This time we are going to be using our blue stencil film because it is not as sticky as our purple, so it is a lot better for paper, and these are like paper gift tags, so we're using the blue stencil film because it works great. But the rest of the process is exactly the same. We're just adding our ink here. You can use any acrylic ink on paper and squeegeeing it across, and it looks great. Made a bunch of them, put your custom name on it. You can make these super custom, super cute, and it adds a nice little personalized touch to your gifts. And the last craft is this easy mistletoe sign that we wood burned. So for wood, you can use either the purple or the blue film. It depends on your preference. What you have, both will work. But we're making the stencil the same. We cut down our stencil film to match the size of our artwork. The rest of your film you can save for later. You do not have to expose an entire sheet all at one time. You can cut down both your printer film and your stencil film to only use the part you need. But once your stencil is made, then you just add it to your board and you add torch paste to your stencil the exact same way that you add ink to your stencil. So we just like to dab it on in certain places. It's nice and thick, so it's not going to bleed underneath your stencil like maybe like ink sometimes can. But you just add it all across, remove your stencil, and then wood burn it. We do recommend using a heat gun that is over 1200 watts in order to burn it. And all wood is going to burn a little bit differently, but I love how this turned out. So we're just going to finish this off with a super cute little mistletoe to hang on the top of it, and just adding that with a little tack. And now we have this really nice rustic holiday sign. So easy. My name is Fawn and I share tips and tricks on how to make and use Ikonart stencils. If you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on how to make Ikonart stencils, check out this video right here. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload.